Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You start by making sure your Google account is ready and your device is nearby. This saves time when verification is required. Once done, open your browser and navigate directly to Gemini or use the Google app sign-in option. Make sure you are on a secure network and avoid public Wi-Fi to prevent interruptions. If prompted, choose the correct Google account from the Account Chooser dropdown. This gets you into the actual sign-in flow without detours. You type your email or phone and then your password. Do this deliberately to avoid lockouts. If you use a password manager, trigger it now to autofill securely. Next, complete two-step verification. Accept the Google prompt, enter an SMS code, or paste a code from your Authenticator app. Once verified, Gemini will check permissions. Make sure to review requested access. After granting consent, you move to the Gemini interface, where your settings and you finish by confirming profile details and allowing the permissions Gemini needs to run. Make sure features like microphone or camera are enabled if required. If you hit an error, sign out, clear the browser cache, and retry. This often fixes session or cookie conflicts. If verification codes fail, check your recovery methods and time sync on your device. Finally, if persistent problems continue, try a different browser or device to isolate the issue and regain access quickly.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.